Hello everyone, it's me, Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. Today we'll be mixing our Dilka soup, okay? There are different ways of mixing Dilka soup. I have mixed about 14 kg of Dilka soup. So it was after I finished mixing it, somebody now called that she wants me to mix for her. And she wants her own to be lightening. Okay? So I'm going to mix only her own 1 kg. Now for me to do this, Dilka soap is a soap usually used for brides. It's an exfoliating soap. It's meant to exfoliate the skin, make it brighter, usually in preparation for a wedding, either you want to go and for somebody's wedding or your own wedding. So generally it was meant for brides or done for brides, but anybody can use Dilka soap, including men, including children, at least from 5 years, because the ingredients inside are all natural. The ingredients inside are things that you can eat, okay? So, except if that soap is a lightening soap, which I won't recommend for children, but if it is Dilka soap, just as we are going to make it now, even though at the end of the day, at the end of it, we are going to turn this one into a lightening soap, okay? So these are some of the ingredients we need. Here I have my turmeric powder, activated charcoal. I have my moringa powder. I have my honey. Okay, I have my honey. My orange peel. I have neem here. Neem powder. This is a mix of my carrot powder. Okay. This is my ginger powder. This is my sandalwood powder. Okay. Then I have my active. I've mixed my powders here with my active, my perfume, my preservative, and then my soap base. Okay. I'll be using this as my soap base for my Dilka. Some people use African black soap as their soap base. So depending on what you want to use as your soap base, you can use, okay? So let me put this aside and then start mixing my Dilka powder. So the first thing I will do is to pour my Dilka powder here. Why I'll not be using this is because the container is too small for me to be able to mix it in. So I'm going to pour it into this bigger container that's also clean. This soap was made by me. If you cannot make it yourself, you can come and buy from me. Okay. So, and if you don't want to buy from me, you want to learn, I can teach you also how to make it. This is our Moroccan soap base, okay? So as I said earlier on, you can buy this, you can make it, you can buy from us, or you can use your African black soap as base. This is my orange peel powder. I will pour it in now. You can see. After I poured it in, I'll now mix. Emanuela, ba mo nga fonga jaka bichere ni. Hang glove ni wana mix anga ni asham sajin chare ni ba. I've mixed in my orange peel powder. I do teach, oh. In case you want to learn, I will teach. In case you want to buy, I will sell. So we put in our orange peel powder. Next, we are putting in our neem powder. Okay. We have put in our neem powder. You will not just fetch these things and just be pouring like that to know. You calculate the amount that you're going to put into your product. Okay. You don't just fetch and pour. Because you know this thing is going to the skin. Thank you, Sangdo. And almost everything we are putting here, in short, everything, not almost. Everything we are putting here is food. Is food. Then after we put that one, we'll now put our sandalwood powder. You can see it going in. The smell is delicious. Not just nice, so. The smell of the sandalwood powder is very nice. So we are still mixing. Our botanicals have changed the color of our product. Okay. You know we are using natural products. So now we are putting in our moringa powder. Our moringa powder. I put in one product, then mix. Put in one product, then mix. That will make it easier for me to mix it than pouring all at once. Okay. If you're doing much, you might have to pound it though. Very soon I'll post my video of the one that I made about 14 kg. I had to pound it about 14 kg. I had to pound it. Okay. This is my carrot powder, my dried carrot powder. I made it myself. Most of these things, if you do them yourself, it's better than buying in the market. Okay, see our product too. Then our ginger powder. Yes, are you seeing me now? Well, yes, zogale is moringa. Yes, I put zogale. I put sandal. I don't know sandalwood in Hausa. I put dogon yaro. I put lemu, bawon lemu, and my orange bar is not just only the peel. I use the whole orange. I use the whole orange plus the fruit plus the juice all enter inside. Give me. All plus the fruit plus the juice plus the seed plus the peel, everything I dry and use inside. Okay, I'm gonna go back a bit. Bend it a bit. See, that's why I wanted the triposter. Keep it like that. So I'm still mixing now. Then next thing that I'm adding now is my turmeric powder. You can see our Dilka coming out well. You just fetch it and rub on your body easily and see the color is fine. Then our activated charcoal powder. Okay, natural food. You know that my phone went off when I was doing the view, so I'm resuming now. So we're making Dilka soap. We have already put our ingredients. We got our soap base. We are using bring it here, put it down here. We are using Moroccan soap base. Look at it. We have put our orange pea powder. We have put our neem leaf. We have put different ingredients. Okay, so now we are continuing. So you can see we have put our bitter leaf and our activated charcoal. So we are turning in our activated charcoal. I hope you people know that I'm doing live. While you're busy making noise up and down, Abi. So we've mixed in our activated charcoal. Next thing we are adding is our honey. Okay, so there goes in our honey. Okay, now mix our honey in. What do you people keep quiet? So now this is our lightening actives. Okay, we are pouring them all into. This our lightening actives is a combination of our powders and our actives all in one place. So we are mixing it in. Then last but not the least, we are putting in our perfume. The perfume we are not putting that much. Perfume we put to taste. Concentrated perfume. I'll just put day. Perfume is expensive. No, close this one for me. See the leather. See the cover. Okay. Then last but not the least, don't forget your preservative. Okay. Preservative is always 1%. Okay. Don't forget that my Moroccan soap base already had preservative. So this one that I'm adding, I'm just adding because of the other extra ingredients I added. So now I can mix and our Dilka soap is ready. So this is our Dilka soap after about 2 days. Remember, most of the botanicals we added were dry. So they have soaked up the excess moisture in the soap and it has become significantly thicker. The texture of the soap is also smooth and soft, but at the same time, when you rub it on your body, it will penetrate and also exfoliate effortlessly. This is not a bar soap, and you can see the bubbles on the soap. The soap foams a lot. A little goes a long way. This soap is very great for everybody. It will clear the skin. Even if you want to use it without sponge, you can. And a little goes a long way, as I said. Okay. So this is how to make Dilka soap. Very beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.